and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another video. Today I have got a video about a Portronics sound cake speaker, also known as POR781. Recently I have made a review for a Portronics Breeze Bluetooth speaker and many of you guys have requested me to review this model. So today I'm here with this Portronics sound cake Bluetooth speaker. So this is 10 watt and let's just go ahead and unbox this speaker and see what we get inside, and then we'll talk more about this speaker. So here we are with this box. So let me take you through the box or packaging. So here is the logo Portronics and it says a fountain of great sound. The model number, which is sound cake, and the packing is quite pretty much like a lunchbox. And so yeah, let me take you to the specification which is written on the box. It is 4.1 Bluetooth and it allows TWS. Now what is TWS? TWS is basically you can connect both speaker with each other just like JBL has. So connect those speaker with each other and you can play in a stereo mode. It allows aux and it has two drivers, so 10 watt altogether. The battery capacity is 2400 milliampere and the weight is around 412 grams. So let me just go ahead and open this. And wow, this looks premium. What we get inside, let me just go ahead and show that to you. So we get a micro charging cable. You can use your regular phone charger to charge it, and some cheap quality aux cables which is quite small in length, and very small manual which I'm not gonna read really. Same information, Bluetooth specification, what is written on the box, and that's about. Some foam to carry the speakers. Okay, let me talk about the packaging first. It is very hard and I believe this is really good in case you travel a lot and you want that speaker to be in very safe. You can probably use this case which is with this box itself. Let me take you through the buttons. See, this is the power on button.
Power on.
Very
Bluetooth
good.
mode.
Okay. So this is basically the Bluetooth option, and this is the pairing option. Volume up.
Out of battery.
This is how you connect or pair your device. Volume up, volume down, and the pairing option with other sound cake devices. I'm really impressed with the quality they have offered. So this is the entire bottom is rubber, and this is a rubber ring over here, so it would be quite stable at your table while playing music. I'm not really fan of cylindrical shape speaker like the JBL Flip 3 or Flip 4 or maybe Breeze. I like those speakers which can really be kept on a table the way it is. And yeah, pretty much the model number, 10 watt, Portronics website. And coming to the power, this is a charging option and the aux. So you don't have a memory card option here, and neither you get an OTG to connect via pen drive. So it's not a waterproof for sure. So Breeze is much better in terms of that thing. Now let's go ahead and switch it on and see how is the sound quality. Alright, so we have got the phone here and it's paired. So the best thing I like about Portronics speaker also that's available on Breeze, so it does allow you to see the battery which is available on the sound cake or any Bluetooth speaker. So do you see that little symbol next to the Bluetooth logo? It does show you how much battery is left. Let me just zoom that in. So that's the logo I'm talking about, and the battery is empty, hence I'm charging it and playing music at the same time. So let's just go ahead and play some music and see how is the sound quality. And I really like the sound output of this particular model because I've already tried that. Let's just play some music and see how it really sounds.
I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Apologize for the net, my internet is a bit slow.
Set my heart afire.
Alright, so that was a sound demonstration for this beautiful speaker. Now let me talk about the cons and pros about this beautiful speaker. What I didn't like, I would like to mention that first. This is 10 watt, as the company claims this is 10 RMS. I don't feel it's 10 RMS. This sound is equal to a 5 RMS speaker, so if you are really expecting to be a very loud, no, it is not really very loud. Again, it is not waterproof or splash proof, so that may be a problem. You cannot really play those speakers in rainy season or open area, so you have to play this indoor and really save the speaker from water. What I really like about this speaker was the sound quality, clarity, bass. Trust me, at 2000 rupees, yes, the price is 2000 rupees approx in Indian market, and the clarity is amazing, the bass is good, so really 10 on 10 for the sound quality, I would say. But again, it's not loud because this is quite huge in size, and I expect to be a bit louder, because again, you know, it doesn't make any sense to carry such a big speaker with such a less volume, so that could disappoint you. But again, if the size is not, then probably you can go ahead and buy that. Sound quality is 10 on 10, as I've already mentioned, and the battery is dead here, the one which has arrived, so I've charged it and I've used it. Talking about the battery backup, it really takes 2.5 hours to charge, and you can stream music up to 3 hours or maybe 3 hours 15 minutes on max volume. So pretty much 10 on 10 for the sound clarity quality. So that's about the video about this Portronics sound cake, which is POR781. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments and I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. Please subscribe.